Hello everybody. Today's my topic is MCQ in atomic structure, and in this video I can solve some problem which come in NEET exam. This exam is very important exam for us. In this purpose my first problem is which of the following series of transition in the spectrum of each atom fall in visible region: Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Langmuir series. Now the solve is, we know from Rydberg equation 1 by lambda is equal to capital R 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, where values of n1 is 1, then the obtained series is Lyman series, and Lyman series falls in UV region. And when n1 is 2 and n2 is 3, 4, 5, etc., then the following series obtained is known as Balmer series, and here values of lambda obtained 4000 to 8000 angstrom. So this lambda value falls in visible region. Actually only Balmer series falls in visible region. So the option 1 is correct option. The others is Paschen, Brackett, Farn, Humphreys, all are falls in IR and far IR region. The actual answer is Balmer series. My second problem is 4D, 5D, 5F and 6P orbitals arranged in the order of decreasing energy. Now this is the option. Now the solve is, we know from Auber principle energy of subcell calculated from the values of n plus L. Now where n is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number, lowers the value of n plus L, lowers the energy of subcell. Now for 40 subcell n is 4, L is 2, so n plus L is 6. For 5p n plus L is 6, 5f n plus L is 8 and 6p n plus L is 7. Now highest n plus L value is 5f, so it's highest in energy, so maximum energy subcell is 5f. Then values of n plus L is 7, then energy of 6p is less than that of 5f. Now there is a question for 4D and 5p series where it is seen that energy of 4D and 5p, the values of n plus L for 4D and 5p are same. Then according to Auber principle, when two subcells have same values of n plus L, then the subcell with lower n value has the lower n energy. Now between 4D and 5p, which has lower n value? Now 4D has lower n value, that's 4. So 4D has least in energy. So energy series is 5f, then 6p, then 5p, then 4D. So option D is correct. This question comes in NEET 2019 exam. My next problem comes in NEET 2018 exam. The question is, which of is a wrong statement? The electronic configuration of N is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. In actual question paper, there is a pictorial representation of this configuration. It is 1s, 2s and where 1 is to 2 is 2 and 2p x1, 2p y1, 2p z having opposite spin. Option B is an orbital is designated by 3 quantum numbers while an electron is designated by 4 quantum numbers. It is true. Option 2 is true. Option 3 is the orbital angular momentum of electron of S is equal to 0, it is also true. The values of M for dz square orbital is 0 is also true. Now option is wrong statement because according to Hund's multiplicity rule, now this rule states that the pairing of electron in the orbitals of a particular subcell does not take place until all the subcells are singly occupied. Moreover, singly occupied orbital must have the electrons with parallel spin. Now in option 1, in 2px, 2py, electrons are in parallel spin, but 2pz, electron in opposite spin. Now the actual pictorial representation will be 2px, 2py, 2pz, all the electrons are parallel spin. Option 1 or this. So actual option is 2px, 2py, 2pz orbital have parallel spin. So the option A is incorrect one. The next problem is which one is the wrong statement? Option A, de Broglie equation is given by lambda is equal to h by mv. Option B, the uncertainty principle is del x into del t greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Option C, half filled and full filled orbital have the greater stability due to greater exchange energy, greater symmetry and more balanced arrangement. Option D, the energy of 2s orbital is less the energy of 2p orbital in case of H-like atom. Now the actual answer is option 1, the de Broglie wavelength equation is lambda is equal to h by mv. So the option A is correct. Now Heisenberg uncertainty principle is del x into del p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. By calculation we get del E into del T greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. So statement B also correct. Now option C is half filled and full filled orbital have greater stability due to greater exchange energy, greater symmetry and more balanced arrangement. So option C also correct. Now option D is for H atom which is single occupied species, the energy depends on the values of N only, not on the values of L. So energy of 2s and 2p are same. So option D is incorrect. This problem come in NEET 2017 exam. My next problem is two electrons occupy the same orbital are distinguished by magnetic quantum number, azimuthal spin or principal quantum number. Now the answer is when two electrons occupying the same orbital has equal spin, but the direction of the spin are opposite, which may be clockwise and anti-clockwise. So by spin quantum number, the two electrons are distinguished which occupying the same orbital. So option C is correct. This question comes in NEET 2016 phase 2 exam. My next question is how many electrons can fit in the orbital for which n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1? Option A 2, option B 6, option C 10 and option D is 13. Now according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, an orbital can accommodate a maximum 2 electrons of exactly opposite spin. Hence option A is correct. Now maximum number of electrons in an orbital do not depend upon the quantum number n, l, m, s as given in the question. This question come in NEET exam of year 2016 phase 2. My next question is which is the correct order of increasing energy of the listed orbital in the atom of titanium? The options are, now the answer is Now, according to Aufbau principle, this question is explained by Aufbau principle. According to this principle, energy of subcell increases with increase in values of n plus L, where n is principal quantum number, L is azimuthal quantum number. Now, for 3s subcell, n plus L is 3, 4s subcell, n plus L is 4, 3p subcell, n plus L is 4, and for 3d subcell, n plus L is 5. So, according to Aufbau principle, lowest energy is 3s. Energy of 3s subcell is less. Now then, and highest energy is for 3d subcell, which n plus L value is 5. Now, in between 4s and 3p subcell have the both values n plus L is 4. Now, in case of two subcell have equal n plus L value, the orbital with lower n value has lower energy. Now, between 4s and 3p, 3p has lower n value, so it's less in energy, and then energy is 4s. The actual energy series is 3s 3p, 4s 3d. So, option D is correct one. My next question is, the number of d electrons in Fe2 plus is not equal to the number of the electrons in which of the following. There are four options, but the actual answer is, now the electronic configuration of Fe2 plus is 1:2, 2:2, 2p6, 3:2, 3p6, 3d6. So, number of d electrons is 6. Option 1, s electron in Mg is 6 also, 1s, 2s, 3s. P electron in Cl is 11. 2p contains 6 electron, 3p contains 5 electron. D electrons is Fe is 6, this is 3d6. And p electron in Ne also 6, 2p6. Now option B shows that p electron in chlorine is 11, where d electron in Fe2 plus is 6, so which is not equal. So option B is the right one. My next problem is, the angular momentum of electron in d orbital is equal to, there are four options, 2.449 h, 1.414 h, 3.46 h, and 0 h. The actual answer is, the actual option is option A 2.449 h by 2 pi, option B is 1.414 h by 2 pi, option C is 3.46 h by 2 pi, and option D is 0 h by 2 pi. Now the angular momentum of an electron in d orbital is root over L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. For d orbital, values of L is 2. Put the value of L, we get angular momentum is equal to root over 6 into h by 2 pi, which is 2.449 h by 2 pi. So option A is correct one. My last example is, calculate the energy in joule corresponding to light of wavelength 45 nanometer. Now the wavelength of light is related to its energy is E equal to h nu or E equal to h into c by lambda. Putting the values of lambda is 45 into 10 to the minus 9 meter, and c and h is given, we get the values of E is 4.42 into 10 to the minus 18 joule. So the right option is D. This question comes in AIPMD 2014 exam. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comments on this video, and press the bell icon below in it. Thanks everybody.